Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sierra. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Today's video is in collaboration with SmalltownSix, as we are bringing you guys some barbecue or picnic favorites. So today I am making some of my favorite things that I put out on the grill. So for one, I am making some corn that just basically is garlic butter along with Old Bay, and then I also will be doing some salmon out on the grill, and I also will be putting out some hamburgers as well as some chicken tenderloins. The chicken tenderloins, guys, is amazing. If you haven't tried this, do it today. Don't be afraid to get out there and get started. All I'm gonna say is I'm gonna briefly run through all of these things that you have to do in order to make the three things. The corn is very simple, as well as the chicken tenderloins, but it's a certain process that you have to do in order to make it just right. So be sure to check out the playlist on your way out the door. All right, so over here I have a couple of things thawing out. So I have 4 pieces of salmon thawing out. I also have the chicken breast thawing out. This will get cut up and into pieces. You're gonna need, I would say, about 3 of these in order to make the chicken bacon ranch kebabs. Thing is, I don't even call it chicken bacon ranch kebabs anymore. I just call it chicken kebabs, and you'll find out why. Also, I have out the beef patties. These are flame grilled. They do not taste the same if you put them in the oven. They taste amazing out on the grill. And I also have my last 2 Johnsonville beef brats, as well as my corn pulled out. So here's 6 half ears. Like I said, certain things that we're gonna need out for these. So for our salmon, let's go ahead and get out the items that we need for that. So I have my parsley flakes out, pepper, minced garlic, olive oil, as well as cayenne pepper, salt, honey, and you guys can either use lemon juice or apple cider vinegar. I'm out of lemon juice right now, so that's what I'll be using. Okay, so for the chicken kebabs, you need Hidden Valley Ranch dressing. You also need pepper, as well as olive oil for these. So what you'll do is simply get a little container as small as this one, and here it is already pre-made up. I'll show you guys the inside in just a second. You guys will take 3 tablespoons of the Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of the salt, and then a 1/4 cup of the olive oil. You'll pour it into here. So in here is, I made a double dose just because these have to marinate for 3 to 4 hours. So once I'm able to cut up the chicken and marinate them, they'll sit in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours, and then I will grill them. So you guys can simply just see that most of the ranch is at the bottom, and the pepper, and then this is, you can just mix it up. That's all you have to do, even if it's been sitting for a few minutes. So it really does not smell like chicken. You know, like, it doesn't smell like chicken, doesn't smell like bacon, doesn't smell like Hidden Valley Ranch. It doesn't really smell like olive oil or pepper. It just is all mixed up together, and once it actually marinates on the chicken, you then can smell the ranch. All right, so long story short, the reason why I said you don't have to have bacon is due to the simple fact that it tells you to cut up the bacon into pieces, and it goes in between each piece of chicken. When I first tried it, it came out well, but then the second time it did not come out well due to the simple fact that the bacon wasn't cooking all the way in the middle the same way it would if you had the 2 pieces of chicken together like I do. So I just stopped including the bacon. So if you want to make the bacon on the side, and then if you can get it to go through, okay, cool. But I just highly recommend doing your chicken out on the grill by itself and doing the bacon separately. But chicken kebabs with ranch, olive oil, and pepper are definitely a hit. So really quickly, I went ahead and cut out the salmon out of the bag. Went ahead and washed it off, just rinsed it off, and then just applied it here. So first thing we're gonna do is do the salt, pepper, and the cayenne pepper.
this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me.
This is just to season the surface. Go ahead and set those to the side, and now we're gonna work on the next thing.
Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you.
Next we need 1.5 teaspoons of the apple cider vinegar. All mixed up. So go ahead and get you a pan on the stove, and now you're gonna basically make them before taking it out to the grill. So add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. All right, so here's our olive oil. It is now on medium. Let's go ahead and fry these on both sides for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then we will add in the apple cider vinegar mixture that we need. So it's ready. We're gonna go ahead and put it into the pan on the So chop up your chicken breasts into little small pieces like this. And now that we're ready to go ahead and get it to marinate, take your sauce that we created earlier, just mix it right back up and then pour it on top of the chicken, and then you will just kind of like mix it all together. So we're going to simply take our salmon, wrap it up in some foil, and this is going to go out on the grill to get finished. Plain and simple like this. Okay, so I went ahead and seasoned up the cut up pieces of chicken breast into chicken tenderloins. I used some Tony's Creole seasoning. This is seasoned salt, nature's seasoning. We have beer can chicken, roasted garlic and herb, and I also have Mrs. Dash chicken and some parsley. No, I didn't go overboard with the parsley, but I surely added in just a tad bit, because you don't need to add parsley for everything or too much. So that's ready. Our salmon is ready. And now all I need to do is go get the grill up and running and put out everything on the grill up and running. I will include a couple images or clips just to show you guys what it's like cooking out on the grill, because definitely barbecuing and cooking out on the grill is one of my favorite things to do when it's nice outside. I'm getting some water started so that I can heat up the corn, and then I will show you guys how I make my Old Bay corn. So the water is on. It is on medium. I have out some butter, minced garlic, parsley, Old Bay seasoning, and of course I have out 6 half a ears of corn. So I'm going to fix all of these, except for 4 of them are going to just be using this, and then the other 2 will be for the soup. So the chicken tenderloins are fresh off the grill and brought into the house. I also have these other menu items right here. Now it is time to get ready to show you guys how I make my Old Bay garlic crack. So I have this bowl that I clearly just washed. go ahead and put in 1 stick of butter. So I'll go ahead and add in my parsley. So next we got our minced garlic. I just go ahead and pull out at least a full spoonful and put it in there just like this. It'll all melt together. I also add in the main ingredient, Old Bay, which is not really just the main ingredient. It is also another ingredient that I like to add in. So I do add in some of this before it goes into the microwave. So I'm gonna put it in the microwave roughly for about a minute. All right, so this is what it's gonna come to look like once it is out of the microwave. What I wanna do is simply just add in a little more Old Bay and just a little bit more parsley. And I want the rest of that butter to heat up, so I'm gonna let it finish on the other 12 minutes. Or 12 seconds. All right, so here we go. This is exactly what I want. So next I need to go ahead and drain this corn, and then we will put our mix on top. So thanks guys so much for checking out this barbecue/picnic food video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, as well as check out the playlist, because we're giving you guys a lot of great barbecue or picnic video ideas.